Here's Skitter. Oh. There's Feisty. But guess where Pumpkin? Pumpkin's in a tree. He rocketed up there, but I don't think he can rocket down. Question is, can he get down at all? Yeah, he's trying. He's trying to get down. No, he's thinking that's not going to work. I think he's right. He's going to have to jump onto the shed here, I think. There he goes. Pretty sure there was a squirrel in that tree. But when Pumpkin got into the tree, the squirrel went to another tree. That's why we call him Feisty. And there's Skitter. She's Feisty and Pumpkin's mom. Beaver's inside right now. She didn't want to come out. Anyway, that's Pumpkin the tree cat. How do I turn this off?